Hello everyone! Sandali. Parang may nakaharang ah. Tanggalin ko lang. Ayan. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Mr. Corbi. Our topic for today is about circuit. Circuit starts with line 1 source connected to the line 1 load. Line 2 load connected to the input terminal of the switch, and the output terminal of the switch is connected to the line 2 source. At bago natin i-clarify ang statement na to, alamin muna natin ang basic parts ng circuit. This is the typical or common diagram of a circuit. Let's proceed to the parts. Number 1, source o yung voltage supply. L1 means line 1 source and L2 means line 2 source. Ito ang supply ng ating kuryente. Number 2, conductor o yung wire. Itong mga mahahabang linya, ito ang tinatawag na conductor o yung wire. Dito dumadaloy ang electricity. Number 3, load. Ito ang ating load. Commonly, gumagamit tayo ng light or bulb as our load. And number 4, controller. Dito naman, gumagamit tayo ng switch as our controller to turn on and off the circuit. And now, let's go back with this statement and let us clarify this one by one based on the diagram. Ang sabi dito, starts with line 1 source. Again, yung tinuturo ng pulang arrow, L1, yan yung line 1 source. Connected to the line 1 load. Yan naman ang line 1 load. Using the wire, kinonect natin ang line 1 source at ang line 1 load. Next, line 2 load. Ito naman ang line 2 load. Connected to the input terminal of the switch. At ito, ang input terminal ng switch. And the output terminal of the switch, yan naman ang output terminal ng switch, connected to the line 2 source. And for the last part of our topic, let us simplify the definition of a circuit. Circuit is a closed path or complete path of electric current. And look at this diagram. Ang ilaw ay naka-off dahil ang posisyon ng switch ay nakataas. Hindi dumadaloy ng kompleto ang electric current. Ito ang nangyayari sa electric current or electricity kapag naka-off ang posisyon ng switch. Ang electric current or electricity ay naputol sa parting ito. At para mag-on ang ilaw, kailangan nating pindutin ang switch. Ito naman ang nangyayari sa electric current or electricity kapag naka-on ang position ng switch. Kung mapapansin nyo, hindi na naputol ang electric current. Naging kumpleto na ang circuit. And this is the sequence why our light turns on and off. The presentation shows that the switch can make and break the flow of electric current. And that's all for our simple discussion. This is Angelo P. Corbillion. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. God bless. Thank you.